We all know this as Pearl Harbor, but the National Park Service calls it World War II Valor in the Pacific National Monument to honor all of those who fought against the Japanese in the Pacific. On April 12, 1945, Roosevelt had a massive cerebral hemorrhage and died, leaving Vice President Harry Truman to become the new president and deal with the war and the surrender of Japan. Douglas MacArthur and other commanders went aboard the USS Missouri and sailed to Japan to sign the surrender. Why was MacArthur chosen? Because he was the commander in the Southwest Pacific and supreme commander for the Allied powers. And it was deemed he was the right person to accept the surrender of Japan. Why was the Missouri picked? The Missouri was the flagship of the Third Fleet, and Truman's daughter had christened the hull at its launching, and Truman was from Missouri. It was decided that while the Missouri didn't have an outstanding battle record, the fact that it was the flagship meant no one else would be upset because of this choice.
That is the memorial to the U.S. Arizona and the other ships that were sunk by the Japanese fleet on December 7th, 1941. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to land and go aboard the memorial because the dock is being fixed. And that memorial is to the beginning of World War II. To the left is the USS Missouri, which went to Japan to sign the peace treaty ending World War II. A fitting memorial, the beginning of the war and the end of the war.